number of people in the legal profession at senior ranks. Why do you think there's not more people of Asian background?
Again, it's frankly there have been people of Asian background, and I'll give you one example. I didn't know the first Christmas dinner we had after we formed the Asian Australian Lawyers Association. We invited Justice Paul Coghlan as our keynote speaker. And if you run into His Honor Paul Coghlan, he's retired now, you wouldn't think he's got any Asian background. But he is part Asian. Okay. There are some. The reason why there is, it's the same struggle as the gender diversity took time to sink in. We don't have enough members in Parliament of same background. We don't have Asians in the Parliament either. I'm talking about the national Parliament. And as I said earlier, we are new. I mean, don't forget, I was lucky. Before I came to Australia, my uncle said to me, I hear you're trying to go to Australia. Haven't you heard about White Australia policy? I hadn't. And I was lucky I hadn't heard about it. I would have been discouraged. But I still kept going. So, thank you to Gough Whitlam. If he hadn't ended the White Australia policy, I wouldn't be here today. So if you look back, it's not that long ago that the first Asian migrants started coming to Australia. And we have had, through Asian Australian Lawyers Association, we have had meetings with the attorney, the opposition attorney, shadow attorney, John Pasciuto. We've met with the Chief Justice. We've met with the Chief Justice of the newly appointed Chief Justice of the Family Court, who was previously also the Chief Justice of the Commonwealth Circuit Court. And we are pushing. We are encouraging to give us a chance for an appointment. We have a slightly different system to UK. In UK, there's a Judicial Appointments Commission. They appoint. Here, it's very politicized. So it's all political appointments. The attorney decides who gets appointed. Final decision is up to the attorney. And it's somehow it is biased as well. So when the Liberals are in government, they will appoint Liberal-minded people on the bench. Labour is the same. Labour will do the same. And therefore, there is not much scope or the wider thought of appointing people who are different. And it's also, people are comfortable with what they've got currently. When we meet with John Pasciuto or the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court, we say, if we walk out now in William Street or Burke Street or Collins Street, look around. The population demographics have changed. And if we don't appoint people from Asian background onto the bench, we are not representative. We Asians also come before the court, may it be commercial reasons, family law issues, and to be able to understand, we have to have we must have people on the bench of that background. And hopefully, if we keep chipping on and knocking on the doors, hopefully change will come. It will come in time, and we have the patience, and we have the will, and we have the motivation, and we will continue. We are not going to give up. We're not going to go away.